In this video, I will present how to give style to shapefile in the GeoServer. First, we start the GeoServer. Now we minimize this window. Now open the Google Chrome. We write here already upload the video in which I show how to publish shapefile in GeoServer. Now I will give style to shapefile. First I show you on which layer I give style. Here this is the shapefile on which I give style. Now we click on styles. These are given styles. Now I upload the new style file in the format of SLD. Now click on add new style. Here we click on our workspace name. We give the name. Now we click on this polygon. Now we upload the style file. Click here. Now I want to click this. Now I upload this shapefile. Now I upload this style file. First we click on validate. Now we see that no validation error. We have no any error. Our style file is correct. Now we click on submit. Now our style file is added. Now I click on layer on which I want to give style. Now click on this. Now we click on publishing. Now scroll down. Now we click on this default style. We change the style from polygon to this. Now we can select the available styles on which we select this, which we edit. Double click on this. Now we click on save. Now we click on layer preview. Here we click on this open layers. Now we see that our shape Now we see that our shape file is styled with different colors.